Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Newbulig WBJ-10A ice makers, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Newbulig WBJ-10A ice makers, a basket, a scoop and handle, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. How to use. To use the ice maker, connect the unit to power and use the control panel to turn it on, select the preferred ice cube size, and start ice production. Remove the ice basket, fill the water reservoir up to the maximum fill line, then reinstall the basket and close the lid. The machine will begin making ice automatically, with indicator lights showing when water needs to be added or when the ice basket is full. After use, remove the ice and clean the inner basin regularly using the drainage plug for easy water removal. Smart features? Produces fresh ice cubes quickly, providing a convenient supply of ice whenever needed. The efficient ice-making system is suitable for home use, gatherings, and everyday cooling needs. Allows users to choose between small and large ice cube sizes based on their beverage and cooling requirements. The simple size selection provides flexibility for different serving preferences. Features a simple and user-friendly control panel with clear buttons for power, cleaning, and ice size selection. It allows quick operation and convenient control of ice-making functions. Provides clear status notifications when the water level is low or the ice basket is full. These alerts help users maintain continuous operation and prevent interruptions during ice production. Designed with a removable ice basket, scoop, and drainage plug for simple cleaning and water removal. Regular maintenance helps keep the machine hygienic and ensures reliable ice-making performance. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Newbulig WBJ-10A ice makers. See you in the next one.